The biggest hurdle to manufacturing in America is not wages. It's actually the regulatory hurdles and the cost of building. Are there any ways that Congress or the Trump administration can lower those barriers?
Well, part of it is the agencies can do on their own. It's regulations that have been put in place over the years. They can eliminate those regulations. They can make it easier to get a permit. Right now, if you're dealing with the Corps of Engineers, it's like it's a black hole. You don't even know how to get a permit. It takes forever to get a permit. So then Congress can do some things. Congress has passed legislation in the past that makes it harder to do business in the country. We have to say, look, we're competing globally. We got to compete globally. If we're going to compete globally, that means we can't have rules and regulations that don't make any sense. Next, our state governments have to do the same thing, and our local governments have to do the same thing. Some of it's local, some of it's state, some of it's federal. Some can be done by the Trump administration on their own. Some has to be done through Congress. So it's got to be all hands on deck. And what businesses have to do is they have to be very clear. I tell them all the time, tell me where your problem is. If I have to call a governor, I'll call them. If I have to call a mayor, I'll call them. If I have to call a secretary that works for Trump, I'll call them. Tell me what your problems are, because I want more jobs in America. I did the same thing when I was governor of Florida. We added 1.7 million jobs in my 8 years as governor, and the state had lost 800,000 jobs the 4 years before I became governor. So that's what we have to do. We have to go solve companies' problems, and we'll get more great American paying jobs.